Welcome to this week's Weekly Roundup, first of the year. This week we've been looking at proteins and they're made of amino acids. The elements that make them up are carbon, hydrogen, oxygen and nitrogen. They perform many functions in your cells, and the one we're going to look at first is called enzymes. Enzymes speed up chemical reactions, so a reaction would happen anyway, but the enzyme speeds it up. They don't get used up themselves. The thing that the enzyme worked on is called a substrate. Enzymes do two types of reactions. They take small things and join them together, or they take big things and break them apart. Building them up is called synthesis, breaking them down is called degradation. They do this by having an active site, which is complementary to the shape of the substrate, and that means complementary just means it's a matching shape. The enzyme and substrate form an enzyme-substrate complex. The reaction happens, the product goes away, and the enzyme's ready to work again. The rate of the reaction can be affected by concentration of the enzyme or the substrate and by temperature. As temperature starts to increase, your rate of reaction increases. Like anything else, it goes a bit faster when you warm it up. Eventually it gets to a temperature called the optimum, which is the temperature it works at best. If you go above the optimum temperature, you start to damage the enzyme. It's called denaturing. The shape of the active site changes, and you can't form the enzyme substrate complex anymore, and it stops working.